And maybe it's not just for light fixtures. Look, there's some dust bunnies up there. You can just dust. You can just dust up there. You can just dust the top of your cabinets, dude. Why did I never even think of that? Why have I never even thought to dust the tops of my cabinets? Oh my gosh. They're so dirty up there. I didn't even know. Look how well that catches the dust too. It doesn't like drop it down on your face. I didn't even realize my cabinets were so dusty. Well, they're not anymore. Would you believe that? Check this thing out. This is a little bending cleaner from O-Cedar. This handle extends. It goes out like 3 feet. Here, let's see if we can collapse it back down so you can see. Yep, collapses right back down. Easy as can be. And then this little thing, now that I'm done with it, I'll show you, this is just disposable. So this whole thing goes in the trash. And then this little thing is flexible. So this can go multiple angles, however you want to dust it. And then it just folds up nice and flat so you can put it away easily. This comes with a bunch of these little refills, and you can buy more after you go through them all. But what a handy little gadget. If you want to grab this one, it's from O-Cedar. I'm going to link it for you.